And now this is the money I have for my personal savings, so let's count them. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 5600, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So it's 1,200. So this is what we're going to stuff to my personal savings. Sorry, my personal challenges. So let us take a look. So the challenges are here. Let me just double check if I have everything. Yep, okay. So the first one in this binder is my dream, and this is 30 each. So my dream is going to get 120. For now, which is basically just bear with me for a second. I need to find the proper marker. Obviously, I lost it. Oh, here it goes. So it's 4 stars. So that's the first one, the first time we are stuffing that. Maybe we will be able to stuff it for the second time today. We'll see about that, how much we have left. So I'm going to go like in circle. So that was my dream. And now we have a beauty. And as you see, guys, I depleted that last time. So, and I didn't remove the color. So I'm just going to stuff this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So it's 12 times 20, which is 240. And I'm just going to put this money back and not color that again. Remove and color it because it doesn't make much sense. And I'm just going to leave it for now. So we stuffed 240. Driving license, 12. So it needs 100, and so we can color 12 of those. So this is going to be 120. So I'm just going to cross them off, color them off. And I will remove that, and we will start again next time with a higher amount. So I'm going to add 120 to this one. And let me count how much we have now. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 400, which makes sense. And let's go through the laser ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Can we color 18? Yeah, we can. So let's finish that as well. So it's going to be another one completed. And let me color that. $118. $118, and it now has $100, $200, $300, $20, $30, $60, $316. So another challenge finished. So we finished that one today. We finished that one today. And let's talk about books. So I will get back to that challenge. Okay, so Mati needs a 50, and it has a 50 because we depleted that last time. So here we go. So now we have a travel, and I've added this, that I used to use that in the past for my Cyprus travel, and we're going to Cyprus this year again, so I think we can like fill it. So first I need to finish off this one, and then those for hotels, trips, and food, and I think we will be covered for our Cyprus trip. So now we need to see. So we have 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. $120 or 150. I'm going to do 150, and I'm going to color 5 of those. And if I have something left, I'll just roll back to it. So it's not completed yet. We're slowly getting there. And here goes. So we said we'll come back to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Oh, I have a 10 left from the previous one. So I'm just going to do 20. 20 to like complete this challenge. So that's another challenge completed, and I'm going to leave it for the next time. And let's see. So first, if we have another 30, we have another 60 to put into my dream challenge. So I'm just going to do that. I know it's weird for you guys that I go like twice, but I don't budget for those. I just see how I go. So we can stuff 2 more here. It's slowly getting there. We can stuff 2 lilies in the beauty challenge. So 1 green, and blue one. So 40 to the beauty challenge. This is completed. This is completed. This is completed. And we have 40 left, so we can't stuff that. We can stuff this one with one more. A little coin, which is 30. And the remaining 10 I'm going to put into the books and color the first book. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my stuffing challenges. It was quite a lot of cash, and I think we can have to condense those bills at some point. But yeah, that's all for it. We completed several challenges, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.